Hi, this is Ans, and today in this video we're gonna learn about how to border our text in HTML. We use style for different purposes, for example background color or changing the font size, but here we are using style for the border around our text in HTML. So here our first heading we are using style is equal to border 2 pixel solid tomato. So here you are seeing we are in the first tag, we are in the starting tag, and this is our ending tag. This is our ending tag. So in the first starting tag, we are using style is equal to border, and this is the name solid tomato. This is the name of the color in HTML. There are some names you can use, but if you will use here black, this will not show here because there are some colors name here in HTML. You have to use those specific names for the border. So next we have, you can see here dogger blue. Next we have solid violet. So these color names you have to use, and this is you are seeing our heading. You will see color border around this heading. Okay, so now save it. In the notepad, .html. So here you can see this is how borders you can make border color around your text. So this was its code. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.